So here it is. It came today. It's in its box, and I'm gonna unbox it. Skip, that was me. My dog is freaking out right now. My dog is freaking out because of the weather. Skip, come here. Being extra careful with the tape, not to rip the box. Beautiful. Let's slide it out of here. Hoping I got it all. Oh yeah. Got all the tape. Be careful with unboxing this. Slide it up and out. There she is. Go ahead and take her out of the packaging and show her off. Oh, it's all taped. My goodness. Get her on her stand. There she is, Nami. Wow. Detail on her is pretty great. Flipping her around. Look at her hair. The way it's like translucent at the end. I don't know if you guys can tell that or not, but it's translucent at the end, and it's pretty amazing looking hair. Continuing on down, look at the detail on her pants, like even that. And then I don't know if you can see, there's even pockets there. Almost look at her shoes. Like her shoes. Got a nice heel to it. Her tattoos on there too. Like the one that I looked at originally didn't even have her tattoo on it. So yeah, this figure is awesome. But yeah, let me know what you think, YouTube, and we'll talk to you later.